Hi all, welcome to the course. My name is Dr. Ty Fogel and I'll be your instructor this semester. I'm pleased you're in the class and look forward to working with you this semester. This video is to give the student expectations. I'll be doing another video to give a course overview. You may find it helpful to rewatch this at various times throughout the semester to refamiliarize yourself with the expectations. The most important thing I can say in the course is to check your email frequently. Everything about an online course is communication, and if I send an email and you don't read it, you're not getting from me what you need. So it's really imperative that you check your email. I may only send an email, say once per day, or once per week, but you should check your email once per day. And if you are not getting email from Columbus State, it means that your email is probably going to a spam folder. So you need to make sure that you're getting email. Now I know that you get a lot of email from Columbus State, and some of it's not as important to you as an email from the class. But if you see something from me, please read that email. It's important. You may have questions that go beyond email. In that case, we need to speak. And for that, I have Webex. Webex is a tool that will enable you to see my screen, I can see your screen, and we can discuss things. So that may be something you want to take advantage of. If you need a Webex session with me, just email me that, and I will email you a link to my Webex room at a particular time, and then we can have a meeting right there. And most people find that very helpful. When you send an email, remember it's professional communication. For me to be able to decipher it, it needs to be in a proper format. That means you'll have a salutation. That means you'll use proper sentence structure, punctuation, and capitalization. I know that can take a little time, but I think about me, I have over 100 students, and each time I write a student, I do that format. So I ask you to do the same thing. Once you send an email, you can usually expect a pretty quick response from me. Once in a while, on a weekend or something, it may take a day or so, but most of the time it'll be that same day, if not very quickly. So make sure that when you email, you kind of look for a response from me. And that brings me to the next crucial expectation of the course. Do not wait until right before the assignment's due to begin it. This course will take most people about 5 to 10 hours per week to do it right. So that means you need to allow time for reading, to do the assignment, and to integrate those two things. So if you're not spending enough time and you try to do the assignment right before it's due, you're probably not going to have that good of an assignment, right? Now there is a late period in this class. Everybody needs to understand this. It's a 1 week late period. There is no going beyond the 1 week late period. So if you do need extra help with an assignment, it's usually better if you are right near the deadline to wait and submit it in the late period after you get your question answered. So I may be doing an assignment and just rushing it, and it's not right. I might get 50% off. The late penalty is much less than that, so keep that in mind. Last, I don't mind answering questions, but only after you've read the assignment thoroughly, and many questions are also answered by reading the syllabus and the entire course website. That is a student responsibility also. Everything that's on the course website is for you to explore. And if you have any questions about that, please ask me. All right, good luck and have a great semester.